So I just kind of want to review that I literally cooked dinner. I looked up because I'm looking at the clock. I cooked dinner in around an hour, the max. I had to stop to change out the laundry in between because today I'm working from home and I'm doing computer work and stuff like that. But I literally prepped out 3 meals in an hour. The kibasi with the onions and the potatoes, the flounder for today with the string beans and rice. And I did breakfast egg wraps as well. And the chicken lettuce wraps. And I also cleaned some fruit that I bought today to put in the fridge. I did this because I want to show you that it's not that hard to cook dinner at home. People say like, oh, you're a chef and you get to cook and how fine dining. No, it's about planning, and it's always in the prep, and it's always about planning out your dinners. And if you do that, today's a Thursday. I'm a caterer. I'm busy on the weekends, but if it's Sunday night and you go grocery shopping, go with a list, go with what you want, plan out 3 dinners, you can make it. I'd rather give them a slice of pizza from the pizzeria than go to McDonald's, personally, but that's just me. I know food's my business, but it's really, I want to show you that it's not that hard. You can cook amazing at home. Now, don't get me wrong, I can cook with the best of them and hold my own and go toe-to-toe with any chef. But at home, I'm a mom with 2 kids and I'm busy and we got a ton of crap to do between sports and my husband and laundry and work and events and everything that takes the whole thing. They're screaming upstairs right now, literally screaming while they're in the bathtub. But they're gonna come down and we're gonna have dinner together at the table, and that's my whole thing, bringing it back to the table, keeping it simple. It's all about the prep and bringing your family back to the table to have a solid dinner.